Bonjour. All right, we have Quelle est la question from January 13th. Write the question that would prompt each response. Use the type of question indicated in parentheses. So numéro 1, we have est-ce que. So we're going to use est-ce que in this one. And the answer is non, les cours ne commencent pas demain. The classes do not begin tomorrow. So the question is probably, do the classes begin tomorrow? So est-ce que les cours commencent demain? And you can copy it just like it is in the answer there because the classes don't begin tomorrow. The classes begin tomorrow. You just take out the ne pas, which means don't or do not. So. All right, numéro 2. The answer is oui, j'aime voyager. Yes, I like to travel. So the question is, do you like to travel? And they want you to use n'est-ce pas. N'est-ce pas is just one of those phrases like d'accord that just comes at the end of a statement to make it a question. So the answer is j'aime voyager. So we're going to ask them, tu aimes voyager? Notice you have to conjugate the verb the right way. Tu aimes voyager. And then just write n'est-ce pas? Tu aimes voyager, n'est-ce pas? Oui, j'aime voyager. Numéro 3, we have another est-ce que one. All right. Non, il n'y a pas de problème. No, there is not a problem. So the question is there a problem? Est-ce que, and they want to use est-ce que, and then il y a. Ooh, what's going to happen though? The next word, yes, it starts with the vowel, so est-ce qu'il y a un problème? And if you don't want to bother with some of the accents, you can just copy and paste, kind of easy there too. Makes it faster. Est-ce qu'il y a un problème? Non, il n'y a pas de problème. Is there a problem? No, there's not a problem. All right, this one they want inversion. Ooh, the answer is oui, nous sommes étudiants. Yes, we are students. So the question is what? Are you plural students? Yeah, are you students? Yes, we are students. Let's use inversion. Remember, we are is nous sommes, but y'all are is vous êtes. Oops, I'm going to hit retry there. All right, see what happened. Ooh, okay. Sorry about that. I have the wrong accent, so I need the accent close there. Et is a little hat. There we go. Vous êtes étudiant. And this one, oh, sorry about that. This one is not do you like to eat, but we're just going to say you are eating. Whoa. Tu manges à la cantine. D'accord. You're eating at the cafeteria. Okay. But no, it's like, you're eating at the cafeteria, okay? No, I don't like to eat at the cafeteria. So we're just asking, are you eating there? No, I'm not. Let's see what happens. And now we're good. Est-ce que les cours commencent demain? Tu aimes voyager, n'est-ce pas? Est-ce qu'il y a un problème? Êtes-vous étudiant? Tu manges à la cantine, d'accord? And a couple other answers work too, so yay.